Hi everyone. On this tech tip at a glance, I'm going to show you how to take a disorganized desktop with a big mess of files and folders and turn it into something nice and tidy using something called stacks. It's very easy to do, especially if you're one of these people like me that has a bad habit of putting things on the desktop and then it gets to be kind of hard to find things. All you have to do is find kind of an empty space that you're going to right click on or double click, and we're going to go down and do use stacks, and then bam, all of a sudden it organizes it for you. It takes all of your similar files of the same type, and it stacks them up nice and neatly, and then all you have to do is click on that stack and you can find whatever file you need. It's very handy and an easy way to stay organized. Thank you all very much.